Months after Rogers Communications announced it'll bring new 5G cell phone service to the TTC subway system, it started to become a reality Wednesday morning. And it's something so many people have called for. But getting to this point has been a complicated process.
The demand has definitely been there. The request has been there. We've heard our customers loud and clear.
When it comes to requests from subway riders, TTC staff say cell service has been at the top of the list. So finally, some progress. Downtown between St. George and Bloor Yonge, commuters will now be able to talk, text, and stream while riding trains and moving through stations. Also, service will be in stations and on platforms between Keele and Castle Frank. Between 2 and 5 a.m. every day over the past several months when trains weren't running, crews used work cars to install a vast network of cables and antennas to bring service down below.
I'm probably doing it around 500 to 600 and 800 feet a night, depending on the type of cable. It also depends on the infrastructure.
Fort Monaco oversees infrastructure at the TTC. He says the installation hasn't been simple.
It's not just a matter of running a bunch of equipment in a tunnel. We need to consider, is the clearance available so that you can safely run trains? The other thing is we've also got asbestos in the tunnel. So the asbestos needs to be cleaned well prior to the work actually proceeding.
This all comes after Rogers Communications, the parent company of CityNews, bought BAI, a TTC platform Wi-Fi provider that also had limited cell service for Freedom Mobile customers, along with the rights to fix and expand the system.
There have been some options available. It really was a legacy 3G early 4G system.
Rogers Chief Technology and Information Officer Ron McKenzie says his crews have done a major overhaul of signal capacity. Once done, that signal should be strong enough to stream a movie.
The way to think about this is it was a single lane road, and we've now turned it into a multi-lane highway to deliver more capacity and coverage.
But Bell and Telus criticized the move, arguing all companies should build it. But Rogers says there's room for other telecoms.
The network is now fully capable of supporting multi-operator, and the systems available, if the other operators wish to join, they can plug in their radios and deliver services on the existing infrastructure that we've now upgraded.
But there's no firm timeline as to when they'll get on board.
It's welcome the other operators joining.
In a report to the federal government earlier in August, Rogers staff argued they should be able to proceed with launching the network even before a deal is signed. Meanwhile, after numerous headlines about safety, there will be more reliable underground 911 service for all riders.
So 911 will be available for any device on any operator's network, always available. That's key, is so that no matter what network you're on, you'll always be able to make a 911 call.
As for what's next, it's hoped cell phone service will be available at all station platforms by the end of the year, and the remaining 75% of the tunnels sometime in the future. Now, Rogers and TTC staff say they want to move quick, but there's no firm timeline yet. At Dundas Station, Nick Westoll, City News.